Good day to all of you. Before we start, let's all pray first. Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Amen. Lord, thank you for the blessed morning you gave us. I hope they all understand what we are going to discuss, Lord. I hope we can finish it without any obstacles, so that in case they have something to answer and also to increase their knowledge. Amen. In Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. So our lesson for today is all about set operations. Before we proceed to our lesson this afternoon, let us all tackle first the objectives of the lesson. Objective number 1. Identify union, intersection, and difference. And number 2, enumerate sets and combination of sets using. This is Brewster method and Venn diagram. A set is defined as a collection of objects. Each object inside a set is called an element. A set can be represented in 3 forms. They are statement form, Brewster form, and set builder notation.
Good day everyone. So my name is Manon P. Mejia, IBSE D2A student. I am one of the reporter for our topic, which is set operations, and I am assigned to tackle to you the union set. So let's start. Union set is the set containing of all elements that are in set A or B or both. Ibig sabihin nito, ang lahat ng elements na nasa set A and set B will going to combine para makuha natin yung union set nilang dalawa. So, the union of set A and B is written as A, uppercase letter U, which means union B. Set A, union of B. So, para matandaan po natin ang ibig sabihin ng union set, ang gagamitin lang po natin, or ang tatandaan po natin keyword is combining elements. So, after we define the definition of union, mag-tackle naman tayo nitong mga examples ito para mas makuha pa natin kung anong ibig sabihin ng union. So, example number 1. Find the union of set A and set B if set A is equals to 1, 2, 3, and 4, and set B is equals to 2, 4, 6, and 8. So, may dalawang pwedeng gamitin para mas mapadali kung paano natin ma-determine ang union ng mga sets. One is roster method, and another one is Venn diagram. So, roster method, alam naman natin yun, which is listing method. Ililista lang po natin yung mga elements na hinihingi po, depende po dun sa operation na binigay. So, the union of A and B is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 8. So, bakit nga ba 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 8? Kasi, pagsasamahin lang naman natin yung elements from set A and set B, which is 1, 2, 3, and 4, and yung 2, 4, 6, and 8. Ngayon, 'di ba, may nakita tayo na 2 and 4 sa set A and 2 and 4 sa set B. Bakit hindi pwedeng ulitin? Ay sabi ba naman, ang makikita nating elements or i-combine natin yung mga makikita nating elements kasi yun nga, pagsasamahin. Ngayon, ang sagot dyan is, kapag sinabing union, kahit na nakita na natin yun sa set A at makikita pa natin sa set B, bawal ang repetition. No redundancy. Kailangan, one at a time lang natin siyang kokopyahin. So, kung anong nakita natin sa set A at makikita natin sa set B, isusulat lang natin siya at once. So, ang union of set A and set B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 8. So, next, the Venn diagram. Ngayon, alam mo naman natin na ang Venn diagram is a two circles na magkapatong, nag-overlap sa gitna. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Yung dun sa may first circle, yung part na hindi na overlap ng circle, pwedeng ilagay natin dun as set A. Yung another one naman, yung another circle na hindi na overlap pa masyado ng another circle, which is the set A, is in-name natin as set B. So, set A and set B, overlap sila. Ngayon, yung gitna, alam naman natin na kapag ang nag-overlap ang circle, ibig sabihin nun, kung ano yung makikita sa set A or sa isang circle at makikita pa natin sa another circle, ibig sabihin, yun yung common element nila. Ibig sabihin, pagkakaparehas nila yun. So, kung ano ang makikita na sa set A at makikita na sa set B, yun ang ilalagay nating number sa gitna. So, the first circle, ang ilalagay natin, which is the set A, ang ilalagay lang natin doon is 1 and 3. Bakit? Kasi, yung 2 and 4 sa set A, yung element na 2 and 4, hindi natin pwedeng ilagay sa first circle dahil nakikita rin natin yung element na yon sa set B. So, next, yung another circle naman is, ang ilalagay natin doon is set B, which is yung 6 and 8. Element 6 and 8. Bakit? Kasi, yun lang din naman yung natitira pwera pa sa 2 and 4, which is dapat na nasa gitna kasi nga, yun yung common element ng both sets, which is yung set A and set B. So, we have another example. So, number 2. Find the union of set X and set Y if set X is equals to A, B, C, D, and set Y is equals to A, E, I, O, U. So, ang unang gagawin natin is the roster method. So, the union of set X and Y is equals to A, B, C, D, E, I, O, U. Bakit nga ba ganon? Kasi, ang gagawin lang naman natin, i-combine. Yung A, gagamitin lang natin at once. Kasi, meron sa set X, may sa set Y din, nandun din yung letter A. Ang sinabi ko baga kanina, at once lang natin siya gagamitin para walang redundancy, bawal ang redundancy rito. So, next, Venn diagram. So, first circle, ang ilalagay lang natin yung B, C, D, and dun sa may next circle, which is the set Y, is E, I, O, U, and yung sa center nila is A, element A. So, we have another problem here. Number 3. Given set P is the set of number less than 7. Set T is the set of number between 3 and 9. So, ano munang gagawin natin dito? Unlike dun sa 2 examples, yun sa kanila, given na kung ano yung elements. Dito, mag-iisip pa tayo kung ano yung elements na ilalagay natin based dun sa given events. So, solution. First, we're going to list down the elements based on the given events. So, yung set P, ano nga ba yung mga number less than 7? So, ang mga numbers na less than 7 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, ang ibig sabihin yan, set P is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Doon naman tayo sa set T. Set T is the set of number between 3 and 9. So, 3 and 9, between 3 and 9. Ano nga ba yung mga numbers na makikita natin sa kalagitnaan ng 3 and 9? So, ang makikita nating mga numbers between 3 and 9 is 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So, the set T is equals to 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then, anong gagawin na natin? Hahanapin na natin yung union ng given elements kasi nakuha na natin yung mga elements na para sa set P and set T. So roster method, the union of P and T is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And sa Venn diagram, yung unang circle which is the set P, ang ilalagay natin dun is 1, 2, 3. And the another circle which is the set T is 7 and 8. Yung sa gitna nila, ang lalagay natin is 4, 5, 6. Kasi may 4, 5, 6, both set P saka set T. So, next example. Katulad din to nung last example which is the example in number 3. So, given set M is the set of odd number less than 7. Set N is the set of even number between 5 and 10. So, katulad ng ginawa natin kanina, hahanapin muna natin yung elements based on the given events. So, set M is the set of odd. Pag sinabi natin odd, yun yung mga hindi divisible by 2s. So, ano nga ba yung mga number na hindi divisible by 2s na less than 7? So, yung mga number na divisible by 2 is 1, 3, and 5. So, the set M is equals to 1, 3, and 5. Next, set N. Set N is the set of even number between 5 and 10. So, kabaliktaran ng sa may odd. Even naman. So, by 2s. Ano ba yung mga number between 5 and 10 na divisible by 2? So, ang number na makikita natin between 5 and 10 na divisible by 2 are 6 and 8. So, ang gagawin na natin, ililist down na natin yung union of the given elements. So, the roster method, the union of M and N is equals to 1, 3, 5, 6, 8. So, pinagsama natin sila. 1, 3, 5, 6, 8. So, sa Venn diagram naman, ang first circle, which is the set M, ang ilalagay natin doon is 1, 3, 5. And sa next circle naman, which is the set N, ay 6 and 8. Ngayon, bakit wala sa gitna? Kasi, wala namang parehas na number na makikita sa set M and set N. So, magiging blanco lang yung gitna.
So next is the intersection set. The intersection set is the set consists of all elements that are common to both sets. Ang ibig sabihin ng intersection, kinukuha lang natin ang common elements between the two sets. The intersection of set A and B is written as A intersection B. For example, find the intersection of set A and set B. Set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, and 4, and set B is equal to 2, 4, 6, and 8. The roster method of A intersection B is equal to 2 and 4. Dahil ito ang dalawang number na parehas, ibig sabihin, yung 2 and 4, that is the intersection of set A and B. At kung nakikita natin ang Venn diagram, ang dalawang sets, A and B, represented by 2 overlapping circles. Yung set A contains 1 and 3, and set B contains 6 and 8. But 2 and 4 is common to A and B. So, the 2 and 4 is the intersection of set A and B. Another example of intersection set. Find the intersection of set X and set Y if set X is equal to A, B, C, and D, and the set Y is equal to A, E, I, O, U. The Rooster method of intersection set X and Y is equal to A, kasi yung parehas lang ay A. So, ibig sabihin, meron na tayong one element or cardinality ng intersection B is equal to A. Sa Venn diagram, set X contains B, C, and D, and set Y contains E, I, O, U, and the intersection of the sets is A. Next example, given set P is the set of number less than 7. Set T is the set of number between 3 and 9. Solution, list down the elements based on the given events. Ang set P, mga numbers na less than 7 ay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, yung set P ay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Set T is the set of number between 3 and 9. Ang makikita nating number between 3 and 9 ay 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, yung set T ay 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rooster method is P intersection T equal 4, 5, 6. Dahil both sets ay may 4, 5, 6 sa Venn diagram. Set P contains 12 and 3. And sa set T contains 7 and 8. In the middle is the intersection set A and B. 4, 5, and 6 is the intersection of the set. So next example is the same with example number 3. Given, set M is the set of odd number less than 7, and set N is the set of even numbers between 5 and 10. Solution, list down the elements based on the given events. Sa set M, ang odd number less than 7, yan yung hindi divisible by 2s. Ang set M is equal to 1, 2, 3, and 5. And ang set N, kabalteran ng odd, even naman. So, by 2s na. Yung number between 5 and 10 na divisible by 2 ay 6 and 8. So, ang set N ay 6 and 8. Sunod, ang gagawin natin ay ililist down na natin ang intersection of the given elements. So yung Rooster method of M intersection N is equal to nothing or empty sets. Dahil walang magkaparehas na number. Sa Venn diagram naman, ang set M, which is the first circle, ay 1, 3, and 5. And sa second circle, which is the N, ay 6 and 8. Sa gitnang bahagi ay wala dahil walang magkaparehas na number sa set M and set N. And last example of intersection set. Given, set Q is the set of number less than 10 that is divisible by 3. Set Y is the set of numbers between 1 and 5. Solution, list down the elements based on the given elements. Ang set Q na number less than 10 divisible by 3 ay 3, 6, and 9. So, ang set Q ay 3, 6, and 9. Sa set Y, ang mga number between 1 and 5 ay 2, 3, and 4. The intersection of the given elements, the Rooster method of Q intersection Y equal 3. Kasi both sets ay may 3. Sa Venn diagram naman, ang first circle ang ilalagay natin ay 6 and 9. And sa set Y, ang ilalagay natin ay 2 and 4. In the middle of the circle is 3. Dahil kaparehas na number both Q and Y. So, the intersection of set Q and Y is 3.
Okay, difference set from the word itself. Difference means a point or way in which people or things are not the same or di magkapareho. While sets in mathematics are organized collection of objects and can be represented in set builder form or Rooster form. Overall, difference set is the element in set A that are not in set B. Here, the difference of set A and B is written as, tingnan po ang symbol yung A, tas may parang minus sign, then B. Are you familiar with a Rooster method? If no, then let me discuss it. Rooster method is defined as way to show the elements of a set by listing to the elements inside of brackets. So, let's move on to the example. In number 1, find the difference of set A and set B. So as we can see, ito ang sinasabi ko rooster method. In set A, contains 1, 2, 3, and set B is equal to 2, 4, 6. Rooster method, difference in A but not in B is 1 and 3. Difference in B but not in A is 4 and 6. Then, here is the illustration in Venn diagram. A contains 1 and 3 while B contains 6 and 8. Then 2 and 4 are the same thing on them. Next, find the difference in set X and set Y. X equals A, B, C, and D, while Y equals A, E, I, O, U. Difference in X but not in Y is B, C, and D. Difference in Y but not in X is E, I, O, U. Illustration in Venn diagram. As we can see, in the first circle, X contains B, C, and D, while sa second circle, Y, it contains E, I, O, U. This portrays alphabet and vowels. And then the overlapping circle, or it represents the same thing to them, is A. Yung dalawang circle is called difference, while yung nag-overlapping is yung nagkapareho sa kanila. Thank you.
Set P is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then set T is 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Union is coming together. Lahat sila yung nakapaloob sa Venn diagram. Then yung intersection is yung parehas. Mayroon sa set A and meron sa set T and meron din sa set T. So yung parehas na mayroon doon is yung 4, 5, and 6. Then yung difference naman is elements that are in set P but not in set T. So yung wala dun sa set T is yung 1, 2, and 3. So, shadean natin yung set T. Lahat yon kasi difference yon. So, ang matitira lang dun is 1, 2, and 3. So, ang answer is P minus T is equal to 1, 2, and 3. So, yun lang. Salamat. This is where our discussion about the set operations ends. I hope you learned a lot from us, and to try it out, if you did understand what we discussed today, we have prepared a quick quiz at the end of the discussion so that you can also test your learning. Thank you.